Hello, welcome to your new pronunciation videos. We're looking at how to say this word and more confusing names and vocabulary in English that can be confusing. Let's break down the pronunciation of this one. In British English in the UK, it's said as labourers, labourers. Stress on the first syllable. Now in American English in the US, the middle syllable, the b syllable, is skipped, essentially swallowed, sorry. Labourers is how the Americans would say it. Labourers or labourers. Yeah, did you get this? Could you hear the difference? Let me know in the comments. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate the support. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. See you there. Thanks for watching.